drawn and seen so many line segments, as a triangle is made up of 3 line segments and a quadrilateral is of 4 line segments. A line segment is a fixed portion of a line. This is also known as the shortest distance between 2 points. This makes it possible to measure a line segment. This measure of each line segment is a unique number, which is called its length. We use this idea to compare line segments. Here we will see the ways how can we compare the line segments. The first way to compare line segments is comparison by observation. As here we can observe two line segments AB and CD. It's very clearly seen here that line segment AB is smaller than line segment CD. This we concluded by mere observation. The second way to compare is comparison by tracing paper. We use a tracing paper for that. First, we'll place the tracing paper on the line segment and trace the line segment AB on tracing paper. After tracing it, the same tracing paper we will place over the line segment CD and compare the length of AB and CD. First, on the tracing paper, what we have the line segment, it is a traced mark of AB and we placed it on CD, so we can clearly observe that line segment CD, which is shown in red color here, is greater than the black line segment, that is AB. So we conclude AB is smaller than CD here. The third way to compare the line segments is comparison using ruler and a divider. For this, we will place the pointers of the divider on the end points of the line segments. After that, we will place the divider with the same opening on the ruler and take the reading. As here we can observe the length of the given line segment is 4 cm. The same process we will repeat with the other line segment, which is to be compared with the line segment AB. Now we will place the divider's point on line segment CD and then with the same opening we will place the divider on the ruler. As here we can observe that length of line segment CD is 5 cm. As 4 cm is less than 5 cm, so we can say here line segment AB is smaller than line segment CD. So these are the ways to compare two line segments. Now here we have a question with us. The question is, if A, B and C are 3 points on a line such that AB is 5 cm, BC is 3 cm and AC is 8 cm. So which of them lies between the other two? So by the figure we can clearly observe that as the given measurement of AB, BC and AC we have, where sum of AB and BC is equals to line segment AC. So that we can clearly observe here that AC is sum of AB and BC. So that point B is lying between A and C. Now we have another example with us. The question is, we have to verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Here we have a number line on which we have numbers from 0 to 7 and starting from number 1, the letters are placed as on 1 we have A, 2 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D, 5 is E, 6 is F and 7 is G. So we have to find the distance between A and G is divided into two equal parts by D. So only we will be able to prove that D is the midpoint of AG. Whenever we have to measure the distance between 2 points, so we have to find the difference between the position of final point and the position of initial point. As we can see here, the length of line segment AG is the difference between the place of point G and A, that is 7 minus 1, that is 6 centimeter. So length of AG is 6 centimeter. Now to prove that D is the midpoint, we will find the length of the line segment AD and DG. So here we can observe that D is at 4 and A is at 1. So the length of line segment AD is 4 minus 1, that is 3 centimeter. Also G is at 7 and D is at 4. So DG is equals to 7 minus 4, that is 3 centimeter. So we can clearly observe here that AD and DG both are of 3 centimeter, and AD plus DG, that is 3 plus 3, giving us 6 centimeter. So that D is the midpoint of AG, as D is dividing the line segment AG into two equal parts. I hope the questions and the way to compare the line segment is clear to everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.